Bonjour, hola, hello! Thanks for following me on these crazy adventures coming up soon. I just come back from 5 days in the wilderness of Tasmania with a friend of mine. I made a video and I wanted to share it with you. And I've been doing this walk because my friend's been dreaming about this walk for years and years, and she just needed somebody like me to say, let's go, we can do it, and I can carry a little bit of weight if you're worried about it. And this is what is magic of this trip and what's coming up with the bike. It's to giving the opportunity to anybody to do something that they think they are not capable to do. And they just need somebody to say, let's go, we are going to do it. This is Bike2france. See ya, enjoy the video.
I have enjoyed this trip so much. It's been a lot of fun. The first day when we started off, I thought, wow, my pack feels pretty heavy, and it was raining, and I thought this is going to be hard, but actually it was all good. And during the trip you kind of step outside your life in this like other world. No one can contact you and you're just enjoying the scenery and the bush and the people that you're with. And yeah, it was awesome. Such beautiful things to see. So many jokes along the way to keep us going. 36 questions to answer. And we met a few people on the way, which was fun too. Swimming in the waterfalls. It was great. A fantastic experience of my life, and I'm so glad I got the opportunity to go.